Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by planning purpose and flow. Decide which object needs emphasis and why. Open your slide, select the primary element, and pick its entry animation fast, subtle, or dramatic depending on emphasis. Once done, stagger start options so items don't compete. Use on click for control after previous for automatic sequencing. Make sure to set durations to 0, 3-0, 8 seconds for natural motion. This keeps attention without distraction. You'll save time later by locking a consistent timing system now. You now create layered movement. Add a motion path to narrate direction, then adjust its curve and smoothing to avoid robotic lines. Once you group related shapes, animate the group first to anchor the scene, and then add shorter emphasis animations to individual items for secondary beats. Make sure to preview with the animation pane, reorder timings, and use delay values to create rhythm. You'll find that subtle easing and short overlaps make complex sequences feel intentional and readable. You finish by previewing the presentation in slide, show mode and testing on the actual display to confirm timing and scale. Once done, trim any redundant effects, standardize durations, and ensure transitions between slides don't reset momentum. If something doesn't play, open the animation pane. Look for items set to with previous that overlap, expand details, and change starts to on click to isolate faults. Finally, save a copy with animations intact so you can revert if edits break sequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.